Hey everyone, today we're checking out the Coolsell wireless audio interface. This device is designed for music recording, live streaming, podcasting, and vlogging. It's a compact transmitter and receiver system that delivers 24-bit, 48 kHz hi-fi audio with low latency. It's compatible with iPhone, iPad, Android devices, Mac, and PC, making it a versatile option for your streaming on your phone or recording on your computer. This was sent to me by Coolsell, but as always, I'll be giving you my honest thoughts based on real-world experience. Alright, let's get into the box. There's a user manual to help with setup, but I noticed it's only in Chinese language, but I think this device is pretty straightforward to set up. It's not really that complicated, but I think it would be better to include it in English as well. Next is your transmitter. This is the unit you plug into your audio source. It features a USB charging port, a 3.5mm headphone jack for monitoring. There's one headphone dial on the side. Here is the main power button and a connection indicator light. Next is your receiver. This is the unit you plug into your recording device, such as your PC, smartphone, or DJI Pocket 3 camera. It also features a power button and one USB port for charging. Next, it also comes with a USB charging cable. I tested this interface in a few different scenarios. I tried live streaming in Facebook. I connected it to my phone, and the audio came through clear with minimal delay. I also tried recording it with my DJI Pocket 3 Pro. I hooked it up and the sound quality was crisp and I didn't notice any distortion. My setup was pretty simple. I plugged in the transmitter at the back of my amplifier and the receiver connected to my DJI Pocket 3. If you're using your phone, you can just plug in directly to its USB port or Lightning port. Now let's go ahead and hear what it sounds like. For the battery, it has a 500 milliamps. I didn't really experience getting a low battery while recording cause I don't really record or stream longer than 6 hours, which is the max full charge. If you're curious about the range of the transmission is up to 60 feet, so it's ideal for outdoor recording or vlogging. For the pros and cons, first let's talk about the pros. It has a hi-fi audio quality with 24-bit, 48 kHz resolution. It is low latency, great for live streaming, wireless range up to 60 feet, and the design is compact and portable. Now for the cons, there's only one that I could think needs improvement. It's the battery indicator. It wasn't very clear sometimes, and it's hard to know the charge level, so I still need to get closer to the device to double check it. But other than that, you can't really complain that much for its price range. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly portable solution for streaming or recording, I think this is a solid option. I tested streaming with it in Facebook and it's super easy setup using only your phone, or you can even use your DJI Pocket 3. It's not perfect, especially with battery indicators, but for the price, it delivers good audio quality and flexibility. If you're a musician or podcaster who wants something simple and wireless, this could be a great fit for you. Link is in the description if you want to check it out. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.